Oh, hey, hi. How are you doing? You survived the holidays. Congratulations. And now it's the start of the new year. And how's that going for you? You still have some piles around your house? Do you still have that health and wellness issue you want to try to get under control? And maybe it's time to start making New Year's resolutions. Only New Year's resolutions don't usually last very long. Instead, maybe you should think about making SMART goals. Hi, my name is Annette Mulligan, and I'm a health and wellness advocate, trainer, and coach. And I know that making SMART goals is one of the best ways to move forward in whatever area of life you're trying to accomplish something. It's a well-known business tactic, but it also works on personal issues as well. And I want to invite you to a 2-week seminar coming up January 18th and 25th. It's just 2 days for an hour each online. And we will be talking about the importance of SMART goals, what that means, how to use them, unpacking all of that information. And then in the second session, we're going to actually help you. I am going to help you to sit down and write out what those SMART goals look like so that you can put them into action. And these can be goals that you will use for a long time to come, not just quick resolutions that tend to come and go. Ways to help hold you accountable in the changes that you want to make. The cost for the 2-week session is $18, and that's the early bird price, or $30 after January 15th. So register by January 15th, it'll only be $18, and then after that, it'll be the full $30. I would love it if you would share this information with other people who may be struggling and not quite sure how to get this new year off to a rockin', kickin' new year and way to get going on completing goals and establishing priorities in your life. Doing this will create simple, strategic, very, very understandable ways of accomplishing goals that you want to reach. I look forward to you joining this class. Thanks so much. Take care.